Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, we are into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling clients devise their investment strategies. As part of our educational awareness series and spreading of financial literacy through our company Fibocan's YouTube channel, we have uploaded 17 English YouTube videos right from basics of banking up to income tax on derivatives in English. Shortly we'll be uploading Tamil also, Tanglish. So I'm sure most of you who can understand both the languages will benefit out of it. Based on the success, we'll be going for Hindi as well. So in every video, in daily video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen. Which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Today is 20 March 2023, Monday. Before that, tomorrow we are not available, so there won't be any video. Most likely Wednesday also there won't be any video, but we'll try to see Wednesday if we can put it. But Thursday definitely our videos will come. Wednesday we are not sure, but tomorrow definitely there won't be any video. So today's video, Bank Nifty today closed 39,361.9, 0.6% down. Nifty closed 16,988.40, 0.65% down. Before we go into the details, if you had recollected on Saturday's video, we had said that like how the SVB collapse and Signature Bank and other US banks, regional banks are in trouble. And of course, Credit Suisse was in trouble, which everybody is aware for the last 6 months. So over the weekend, hectic activities and round the clock working by Swiss authorities, UBS, even US authorities, US banking officials, everyone worked overtime to arrive at a resolution to save the crisis of Credit Suisse. Now Credit Suisse is going to be taken over by UBS, which all of you will be aware. So, which is why again I say that the banking system should be sound. No bank will be allowed to collapse. That's why globally everyone will come and step in. Global financial entities came together in a consortium fashion. They worked together to resolve the crisis. As far as India is concerned, I can tell one thing, that Indian regulator RBI is one of the toughest and stringent regulation that is in place. Hence, all our banks are well controlled, well maintained, well regulated. However, anything can go wrong, anything. Okay, I am not from the banking system or banking official, but looking at the overall regulations across the world, our regulations are much more tough and stringent, which will ensure that banks cannot go burst that easily. That's the only thing, right? With that note, let's go into today's video. Today what happened with all this hectic lobbying and other things happening over the weekend, definitely it was expected that in spite of resolution in place, market will be weak. So market as expected opened the gap down. Bank Nifty both opened the gap down. On Friday it formed a hammer. Actually it is a hammer, but one can call it as a hanging man, but hanging man normally when it comes to the top it is called hanging man. Though it's a hammer type candle, but still there is the overall sentiments and other things are weak. Hence it opened the market, opened the gap up. Having opened the gap up, one has to conclude. See, normally a hammer, hanging man, whatever, these are all doji, indecision. So what is the next thing? After an indecision, we have to wait for the decision. So today market after opening gap down, and also one more thing today it happened, both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and in fact many of the banking components or most of the stocks, if you see, the opening and the high were at the same. So obviously it was a clear indication that today it is going to go down. So there is no support for any of these stocks today. But during the end of the day, once again there is a pushback coming in. I would call more of a short covering rally, and once again it formed a hammer, hanging man, whatever you want to call, a kind of a long leg, kind of a doji. That is what it formed. However, Bank Nifty and Nifty both are below the exponential moving average, which is going down, and bands are still not showing, that is Bollinger Lower Bands are not showing any exhaustion. So till it shows exhaustion and we see rounding off of the exponential moving averages, I wouldn't call it as a true reversal. So with that background, one has to be extremely cautious in this market. And if you are a trader, my humble suggestion to you is that do not keep overnight position, that too big quantities. If it is a small quantity, if it is manageable, perfectly fine. So with that background, let's go. Banking, HDFC Bank fell 1%, IDFC, SBI, IndusInd, AU fell 2%, Bandhan fell 3%, Yes Bank up by 2%. So overall banking is down. Kotak is something which is showing some strength. In fact, we have been telling that, I think Kirtana in last video or the previous video, if I am right, Friday or Thursday, Kirtana mentioned that 1626, 1631 is the support level for Kotak, which will act as a very strong support. If it breaks, you can forget it, but if it doesn't break, yes, there is a possibility that if overall sentiments improve, that will act as a very strong support. That is what Kirtana mentioned on, if I am right, Thursday or Friday. So on the financials, Bajaj Finserv, M&M Finance 4% down, Bajaj Finance 3% down, Chola Finance 2% down, L&T Finance and Shriram also fell 2%, LIC Housing Finance fell 1%, while Muthoot up by 2%. Here if you recollect, in the banking and financial sector as a whole, particularly Bajaj Twins, they are more than down by 13% in this financial year. SBI is more than 10% down in this calendar year. I mean, that is 2022 December close versus 2023 current closing price. So all the banking stocks are 5 to 8 to 10% down, excepting HDFC Twins, which is down by 3 to 4%. All others are anywhere down from 8%, with Bajaj Twins down by 15%. Such a fall is not a normal one. See, if you see many analysts, I'm sorry to state, I'm normally, no, I don't criticize others, but unfortunately to protect small investors, I have to criticize them. Analysts will come and say, oh, Bajaj Twins, great, buy. Please don't buy at these levels. I have been telling Bajaj Twins, no, don't buy at this level, because analysts, they are jokers. They are not technical analysts, they are fundamentals. They have to talk only fundamentals, but they will talk technicals. Unfortunately, they act like jokers. I'm sorry to state that. So as a small investors, my intention is to protect small investors, which is why I'm saying, till we see a reversal, please do not enter. You will get always a second chance. You will get a good chance to enter. On the insurance and cards, LIC and HDFC Life fell 1%, SBI Cards fell 2%, ICICI General up by 1%. Oil and Telecom, Reliance fell 1%, Bharti remained flat. Reliance, if you recollect, Kirtana the other day mentioned that Reliance fell to 52 week. Today again it went down and below it is a 52 week low. The earlier low that it touched last week, it broke that. And now in the monthly chart, it is touching the Bollinger Lower Band. So normally such a powerful down move means, no, it is very clear indication that it is on a significant downtrend. Till we see a reversal and Reliance supports the market and HDFC Twins supports, we can't see a revival of Nifty. And also IT stocks are down, as you are aware, right? On the IT, Emphasis fell 3% along with Coforge. Intellect, Wipro, Techcam 2% down, TCS, LTTS, HCL, Infi and Birlasoft all 1% down, Apple up by 2%. So what happened? All these IT stocks, Infi is in a significant downtrend. Please do not touch Infi. That's all I can say. Infi, the only stock that looks good in IT, probably next month it can one can think of is HCL Tech. All others, no, please do not touch. Techcam, the other day, see the joke of this TV channel people. For one company, they say that CEO changed. That's why market fell. For other companies, CEO changed, stock went up. How funny it is. For a big ship, can one captain change the course of direction suddenly? They said that, like what he called, Mr. C.P. Gurnani went out and is going to go out and new CEO is going to take over. That's why market, Techcam jumped up by 5% the other day. What happened now, Techcam? Today, it formed solid red candle, bearish engulf. Not only that, it engulfed the previous 5 candles. So such powerful negative candle it has formed, and Techcam is not going to see any big up move. But analysts, they have to say something. Unfortunately, no, my humble request is that watch the TV, and TV is for getting information and news. They are very good in giving you information. and some analysis they are very good. Like for example, when Fed hikes rates or RBI rates, they bring in the experts to come and talk. All those things are fantastic. But otherwise, the TV anchors or whoever they are telling, no, it's a big joke. You can enjoy, right? Consumer goods, Trent, Bata and Britannia 1% down, PVR 2% down, Pidilite, ITC and Colpal 1% up, DMart and Page 2% up, Hindustan Lever 3% up. So Hindustan Lever, it formed a good solid up move, which is why it supported market. But overall FMCG is down, but Hindustan Lever is looking good. Nestle is also relatively looking good, but one should avoid all these Nestle, Whistler and all at these levels. On the automobile, Eicher, Hero Motors, Maruti fell 1%. Tata Motors, Bharat Forge, Ashok Leyland 2% down, Motherson 3% down, others remained flat. In the metals, JSW, MGL fell 1%, Vedanta, SAIL, NMDC, Tata Steel, Jindal Steel, Coal India 2% down, National Aluminium 4% down, Hindalco 3% down. So if you recollect, we have always been telling that metals, from February, March onwards, metals will go in a downtrend. That is what is happening. Stay away from metals because it has run too much, particularly Jindal Steel, which you have been telling for in almost every of our videos. On the health and pharma, Apollo, Cipla, Thyrocare 1% down, Lalpath 2% down. With all these things, others, Lalpath, DLF, UPL, Ultratech, Polycab, Nykaa, IRCTC, IEX, all 1% down. Godrej, Havels, Delta Corp, Adani Ports 2% down. APL Apollo 3% down, Adani Enterprise 4% down, Eris 1% up. So again, DLF, it made an up move. Now once again it has gone back to its original form of going down. So DLF, just better stay away. Overall, with all these things, what is the support and resistance for this week option expiry and Thursday? We are not going to give any support because it's extremely difficult for us to give, because overnight anything can happen. So volatile that anything can happen overnight. So it's extremely difficult. However, what we can give is the resistance, that is on the upward side. 50 DEMA is going to act as a strong resistance for Bank Nifty, which is at 41,192. And for Nifty, the 50 DEMA is at 17,735. That will act as a strong resistance. Thank you very much.